my class that I kept in the paper. That happened actually. So introduction science is effectively learned by learning by doing actually the science. So then I classified the by doing is how many ways are there by doing. Then generally we use the purchased materials are the low cost materials. Then next, but I try to make the students to collect the materials required to the required and observe the effectiveness. Then 7 years back, one student is there, Hanumantu. He is not able to. He is in 7th class. He is unable to write the words in our Telugu. Ken Abhikendra Balam, centripetal force and centrifugal force. But he is very curious to bring the materials, and he is very interested in practicals. Then that I started my work towards students to collect the materials. Next, madam. Then now aim is improving the learning process of the science among the below the average. My concentration is below the average. Those who are getting the E grade students. In our CCE method, we have the C grade, E grade, and C2, C1, B2, B1, A1, A2 is there. Then my concentration, because minimum level definitely he will shine in the future. Then I concentrated that one. Then motivate positive students to participate actively in the classroom, mingle with the other students freely. Then expanding the scope for thinking alternative materials to do the experiments. In CCE method, for one experiment, there may be the many low cost material experiments maybe. Then if he can present in the answer sheet, definitely we have to give the marks. Definitely. So the alternate materials he will think it. Then molding the students to learn the science with joy through their self-collected material. Means being a teacher, what I observed in my classroom, when I collected the material, then I kept on the table, then I am fixing and I am arranging, then I am demonstrating the experiment. Then something I observed the gap. To fulfill that gap, then after the collected the material by the students, then the student is feeling the affectionate. Full is affectionate in the learning. मैं जो लाए वो आइटम को मार्बल या पाइप या बैलून कुछ तो रिफिल अरे हमारा वो जो आइटम that item is used in that experiment is myself is done. Then he is very happily he enjoyed a lot. Then making the students joyful. Next one. So now my object came creating friendly cooperation and coordination environment in the classroom. Then making the science familiar and very nearer to the their surroundings. Then increase the self-confidence among the students. Understanding the use of waste materials in different ways. Improving the skill of the creativity, successive sequence, knowing the reason for the failures and zeal to get the success. Then overall classroom science learning process will be improved. Understand the usage of the science corner. Then with all these materials, I am keeping a corner like science corner. Then here in a successive sequence, then one student and other students and groups I am maintaining. In that one group is not getting the whole materials what they required. Then some others are supporting. Then in that student, then two more items are bringing. Then they are giving to the other teams. Then like that, the whole things, nearly the 80% of the experiments now in our syllabus, in our state government Telangana syllabus, will done by the waste materials, and that materials all available in their surroundings only. So next, madam. Then I classified like this, sir. Then types of science learning process without experiments and with experiments. Now next with purchased materials and with low cost materials. Then again this classify I divided into demonstration method and hands-on experience. Then with low cost material again I divided into demonstration and hands-on experience. Then this hands-on experience also I divided into two, prepared by the teacher and prepared by the students. Then these prepared by students also I divided into two parts. Then material supplied by the teacher and own collection by the students. Then my concentration is this one, own collection, and I compared my project material supplied by the teacher. Then these two, then I took my class, 9th class, 54 students. Then pre-test I conducted, sir, in the month of June after reopening. Then I, as per their merits, then I did the three categories. One is the below average and above average, and average and above average. Three. Next, madam. Then like this, with their this percentage I classified, sir. Then 0 to 34, then 35 to 40 as per CC rule. Then I C1 and C2 I did 41 to 60 and 61 to 80 B1 B2. Then I referred as B. Then 81 to 100 is A1 and A2 is 81 to 80%. Then now I named like this, sir. Then next to P group below average and Q group are below average with 10 students. Then these students E category, E grade students. Then one batch P group is with supplied material they did the experiments. Then this Q group with self collected material. Then I did like this. The same way the average people also. Then I that time I asked to that Bora. And then whether I took only my concentration is only for the below average students, then means he advised to take the quality and quantitative project. Then you take the whole class. Then I extended to these people also. Then average students 10. That is one group is R group is did the experiments in the classroom with the supplied material and with the self collected materials. Then like this. Next, madam. Then with the pre-test marks, you can observe it as a pre-test marks and post-test marks with red marks. Okay, only P group I have shown like this. Then next, madam. Then the Q group with the self-collected material. You can see the difference between these bars. Okay, next, madam. These are the class average marks I compared. Class average with groups. I compared with groups. Then you see here, sir. Class average is 4.5, then 5.3. Then like this, 3.8. Here the difference is more. Okay, class average is more. Then here you see, sir, and R and S group also. Then when compared to these two groups, then here the learning process is more. Then here also you can see. Yes, next, madam. Here you see, sir, here with supplied material, the average after the post test, the result is only the children, 2 children promoted to the average grade. Actually, these are E grade students promoted to. Then here 6 children are promoted to average. Then here 4 children promoted to above average to above average. They promoted after post test. Here 6 children. Here 1 children promoted to A grade. Here 6 children are promoted to A grade. So here the result is more than next, madam. Here the average, you see the group average, the difference is 0.8, then 1.8 and 1.58 and plus 4.43 here. Next, madam. Here the improvement in difference, sir. Then P group and Q group and R and S and T and U. Then then that group average marks are improved when compared to the supplied material 1.3, 1.7 and 2.85. Next, madam. Then in conclusion, sir, then when compared to these groups, then what we observed here, then the learning process is more affectionate and more learning percentage there, and also the dropouts ratio is reduced, and absentees percentage also very less. Next, madam. Then in this method, what I want to say one thing. Yes. Yes. This method not only enhances the learning process effectively, but also quality education, create an interest in science and inculcate scientific temper, attitude, and approach. This method reduces the rate of dropouts and regular absentees. The students are forced to think alternative materials for experiments, which leads to observation, creativity, and collective group coordination. Competitive spirit will also increase among the students while collecting the materials. Next one. Here the students are doing the sir in group A, like this in my classroom. Next, madam, like this. All these materials are collected by the students.